Hi, this is Miss Washington here at Dolton Public Library. I come to you with another fun-filled, spooky, spectacular recipe from Dalton's Kids Cook, recipe number 5, entitled Peanut Butter and Jelly Spiders. So let's get to the ingredients. First, we need some peanut butter. And if there's a variation on the recipe, if you don't want to use peanut butter, you can use Nutella. That is also good. Then pick out your favorite jam, jelly, or preserves. Depends on what region of the country you are. In our house, we call it jelly. Over in the UK, they probably call it jam. The upper crust people probably say preserve, but it's jelly. And also, I remember from my fun childhood that jelly used to come in these really decorative glasses. And we used, at the end of the jelly, when the jelly went away and there was no more, we used the glasses for drinking. So that brought back a fun-filled memory. Our next ingredient is some bread. I have whole wheat here. You can choose any type of bread that your child likes. And then pretzels. These are the thin kind of pretzels. They're going to represent the spider's legs. So they're really thin, not the jumbo. And for the eyes, we have the raisins. So let's get started. Our equipment, we need a lid. You can get a lid off a mason jar, or if you can't find a mason jar, you can get it off a spaghetti jar or a mayonnaise jar, as long as it's round and circular and able to cut into the bread. Also, we're going to need a knife. I have a butter knife here, but with young kids, you might want to use a plastic knife and kind of guide them. Safety is important. So we're going to start with the basics of the recipe. I'm going to take a slice of bread, place it on a flat surface. I'm going to take the lid, place it in the middle or in the center of the bread, press down, and turn it, and try to do it really, really hard so he can cut the bread. As you can see, it left imprints. So you're going to take the crust off, or the outside off around the circle. There you go. So you're going to have two. You're going to have one for the peanut butter and one for the jelly. And I have already prepared some bread just in case. So we're going to do the peanut butter side. I'm going to take the dollop of peanut butter, spread it on the circular disc or bread, however much you want. You don't want too much. Then, if you're the person don't like to mix your jelly up, just clean off your utensil or use another knife. Then we're going to set that aside. We take the second disc and we're going to spread some preserves. I'm using a knife, not too much. Spread it around. Okay, there you go. You're going to place the jelly part on top of the peanut butter side. There you have it. Now for the spider legs, you're going to take one slim pretzels and you're going to like halfen it. So it's going to be 4 on each side. I already have some that are broken. They don't have to be the same size exactly, but you want them kind of the same size. So you're going to we're going to start with one side. You're going to stick it through the sandwich. 4 on each side. That's 3. That's 4. The other side. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And the last one makes 4. That is the spider legs, represent the spider legs. Now we got to do the eyes. The eyes is represented by the raisins. So we're going to take 2 raisins and we're going to place them near the end, or almost at the end, like 2 eyes. And there you have it, with peanut butter jelly spiders. Yay! Woo! I want to thank you for joining us with our program today, and for all upcoming programs here at Dolton Public Library. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or our Dolton website, www.doltonpubliclibrary.org, or check out the shoppers, which we get here every Wednesday. Copies are limited, first come, first serve. So, thank you for joining us today. Have a happy and fun and safe Halloween.